Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot using Playwright MCP in VS Code. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor. The first step here is to make sure you have installed the Playwright MCP. To confirm that, simply go to File menu, then go to Preferences, click on Extensions, and here you will find the section MCP servers installed, and you can see I've installed the Playwright MCP here. Now go to View and click on Explorer to have the default layout. Now let's open the chat window. Simply click here. Now here to take a screenshot of any website, simply type navigate to google.com, search for Playwright and take screenshot. That's all what you need to take a screenshot of any website. Now hit enter. So you can see it's using Playwright MCP server here. Now here you can click on allow and review, or you can click here and select allow tools from Playwright in this session. You can see we got the browser here. Now go to code editor. It's asking us to approve the result. Simply click on allow, or you can click here and simply click on this allow tools from Playwright without review in this session. As you can see, it has taken the screenshot and that's in this folder. Let's open this folder and see what we got here. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to take a screenshot using Playwright MCP server in VS Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.